Hello students, so today we'll discuss one more problem related to functions only. That is, we know a function which we already have studied in our first year. So we'll check whether that particular function in the given domain and codomain is a one function or onto. I hope you know the definition of one function. What do you mean by one function? Distinct elements from the domain set should go to distinct images, correct? And then what do you mean by onto? Whatever element you take from the codomain, it should be an image of some element in the domain, or else you can also say that the codomain should be equal to range. But what do you mean by range? Range is set of all images, correct, of that particular function. Now today what is our question? Show that f from R to R defined by f of x is equal to mod x is neither 1 nor onto. Okay, we have to show that mod x function is neither 1 nor onto. I hope you know what is the mod x function. So suppose you have mod of -1. What is the answer? It should be equal to 1, because modulus or absolute value, we say it also as absolute value, or modulus gives the negative, it turns negative into positive values. So when you know that whatever number you give, okay, whatever real number you give, -3, what is f of -3? According to this, it should be mod of -3. What is mod of -3? Is 3. So whatever number you give, you'll get only positive numbers, correct? You get only positive numbers. So by this only you'll be clear that the range will be only positive numbers. So whatever, suppose this is domain R and this is codomain R. So if you take any number, here also you'll have -3, in between you have other real numbers also, that is -3.5, -2.5, everything you have, okay? So whatever number you take over here, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. I'm considering only the integers. Real numbers means you'll have the irrational numbers also, rational numbers, everything you'll have, okay? Just to explain, I'm considering these numbers. So what is, so f is the function, what is it? F of x should be mod x. Whatever x you take, it should go to mod x. So what is f of -3? It should go to 3. What is f of -2? It should go to 2. What is f of -1? Modulus of -1 is 1. Okay, what is f of 0? Mod 0 is 0. Okay, fine. Now what is f of 1? Modulus of 1 is again 1. 1, correct? Modulus of 1 is 1. What is modulus of 2? 2 is 2. What is modulus of 3? 3 is 3. By this only you can make clear that this particular function is not 1 and it is not onto. Why it is not 1? Because you can see, what is f of -3? F of -3 is also 3. Modulus of -3 is 3. What is f of 3? F of 3 is modulus of 3, which is also equal to 3, correct? So that's why, okay, so whatever you take, you'll get the answer to be positive. So you can see that the -3 and 3 are two distinct images, distinct elements, correct? -3 and 3 are two distinct elements, but what is their images? Images are one and the same. So this particular function, you can say it is not 1. What do you mean by one function? One element should go to only one element, 1. But here you can see many elements are going to one image. So it is a many one function. This is not a 1 function. Why it is not 1? You can give the reason as, we have f of -3 is also equal to 3, f of 3 is also 3, but -3 is not equal to 3, correct? -3 and 3 are two different elements which has same image, which means this is a many one function, okay? I hope you're clear. This is the reason for the function is not 1. Now why it is not onto? F is not onto. Why it is not onto? What is the range? As I said, you can see only the positive numbers as the range, correct? So range of this particular function is positive real numbers. So I'll represent positive real numbers as R plus. But what is the codomain? Codomain of f is, what is the codomain? F from R to R. It is entire real number. So which is the bigger set? Whether positive real numbers and real numbers are equal? No, positive real numbers is a part of a real number. Okay, real number contains both positive and negative numbers. So this particular function is not onto, because range is not equal to codomain, or in other way you can say that you have negative real numbers as well, which is not the image of any positive numbers, okay, which is not the image of any number in this particular function, because you can see minus 3 is not an image of any number, minus 2 is not an image of any number. So in order to be onto, if you take any element from the codomain, it should be an image of some element in the domain. Okay, I hope you are clear with this question. We'll move on to one more question today. Okay, so the next question is, what is the next question? You can see the question. Show that signum function, I hope you remember signum function. If in case if you have forgotten, they have given the definition also. Still, if you want any clarification, you can go back to your first year. Okay, so it is from F to R to R. So what is the domain? Domain is real numbers. What is the codomain? Codomain is also real number. Given by f of x is equal to 1, 0, minus 1. F of x is 1 when x is greater than 0. Any number you take greater than 0, any positive real number you take, the value of f of x will always be equal to 1. That is, f of 2 is also 1, f of 2.1 is also 1, f of 2.3 is also 1, f of 1.1 is also 1. So any number you take greater than 0, the value of f of x will also be always be 1 under signum function. So if x is equal to 0, then what is it? F of 0 is always 0. If you take any negative number which is less than 0, that less than 0 is any number less than 0, which means f of 0.5 is any number less than 0. So f of minus 1 is also 1, f of minus 1.5 is also minus 1. So any number less than 0 if you take, it gives the value minus 1. By looking at the function only, you can make that this particular function is not 1, 1, it is not onto. You just have to find the proper reason. Now if you take real numbers, okay, if you take real numbers as I have taken earlier only, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. I'll take certain real numbers. I'll take certain same real numbers over here also. Minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. R. What is the function? Function is signum function. What is f of minus 3? Minus 3 is less than 0. So it should go to minus 1. So it should go to minus 1. Okay. Then what is f of minus 2? Minus 2 is also less than 1. So it should go to again minus 1. Okay. What is f of minus 1? It is less than 0. So it should go to minus 1. What is f of 0? F of 0, when x is equal to 0, what happens to the function? It goes to 0. Correct. Now, what is f of 1? 1 is greater than 0, so it should go to 1. What is f of 2? 2 is greater than 0, so it should go to 1. What about f of 3? 3 is greater than 0, so it should go to 1. So, you can see that minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, these three elements are going to 1, or instead all the negative numbers are going to minus 1, all the positive numbers are going to 1, which means many elements are going to one element. Correct? Here it is not one element going to 1, here many elements are going to 1. So this is not a 1, 1 function, because you can say that f of minus 3 is also minus 1, f of minus 2 is also minus 1, but minus 3 is not equal to minus 2. Correct? If in case if those two were equal, then we could have told that the given function is 1, 1, but these two elements are different elements, and different elements has same images. That's why this particular function is not 1, 1. Now if you take any element, now in order to show it is not onto, f is not onto, what you can see, if you take 2, if you take 2 from the codomain, 2 is a real number, it is in the codomain. So whether it is an image of any number? No. What are the images? Images are 1, 0, minus 1. Always these three are the images. So you can see that other than these three, if you take any element, it is not the image of a real number in the domain. That's why the given function is not onto. Or in case you can say, what is the range over here? What are the answers you are getting as images? 1, 0, minus 1. But what is the codomain? Codomain is set of real numbers in this particular function. Whether these two are equal? No. That's why the given function is not onto. I hope you are clear with both the questions. These are two simple questions. Okay. I hope you can clearly make out the differences, why it is not 1 1 and not on 2, using examples also. If you need any clarification regarding the functions or the graph of the function, you can go through your first year textbook and see what the function exactly looks like. Okay, thank you.